This is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So in the beginning, let's explore what available modes this camera has, and as you will see now, there are quite a lot of modes that are available to you. You can capture short video. This mode allows you to record vertical videos like you would record for a TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts perhaps, without any additional adjustments. Just switch this mode on and you are good to go. Here you also have the beauty mode that allows you to take pictures of faces, or people, should I rather say humans, with beauty filter. You have a designated portrait mode, super night mode. That's a pretty self-explanatory feature that is designed for nighttime photography. You have the AR shot, which I have no idea what it does, the panorama, document, slow motion pro mode, which allows you to manually adjust camera properties such as exposure, shutter speed, ISO value, white balance, autofocus, and whatever is that. So if you would like to get more manual control over the photos you capture, this mode is definitely a way to go. And the time-lapse is also available to you. Now if you'll go into your camera settings, you also have a lot of customizations you can make. For example, you can switch the volume action or the volume function between shutter and zoom. So now it is set to work as the shutter button, but if you'll switch it to zoom, you can now zoom in and zoom out using your volume keys, just like that. Moving on, if we will once again launch the camera settings, you'll find an additional shooting method that is called touch capture, and once enabled, you can simply tap anywhere at the viewfinder and the picture should be taken. Which it doesn't. But that's fine. I mean, that's a low budget phone. So not all the features are going to work naturally. And as you can see now, this feature has actually completely disappeared from my options list. Well, once again, what can you do? Low budget phones with their low budget phone activities. Anyway, we'll forget about that and move on. Here you also have a very convenient scan QR codes option, which allows you to use your default camera app as a QR code scanner. So once enabled, you will not need to use some third-party QR code scanners or Google Lens for that matter. Once the QR code appears in the viewfinder of your regular camera app, it will detect it and allow you to proceed with a QR code, or process it, should I say. And another interesting shooting method is fingerprint as a shutter. So once enabled, you can gently tap, or not even tap, just lay your finger onto the QR code fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, the pictures are being made. You do not even have to press the power button. Just once again, lay your finger at the fingerprint sensor. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.